Have you ever wanted to do something, but then self-doubt got in the way? I don't understand why something that I want so much, and I'm so excited about doing on my channel, why that makes me so uncomfortable to a point where I'm anxious and my heart is racing and I get so worried. I don't know. Yeah, let me explain. Last summer, I made this video on my channel where I announced that I was going to change up my channel. I was going to do more vlogs, more creative projects, just more of me on my channel. And as I announced it, I got so many positive comments. A lot of you were excited about it, but then I never really changed up my channel like I said I would. I want to address that in a video, actually try to address it in multiple videos. I have made different videos where I attempted to explain to you why I didn't do what I said I was going to do. I don't know what to do here. Every time that I tried to film that video, it didn't feel right to me. And this also happened every time that I tried to film a vlog or a creative project that I said I was going to do. I have tried, trust me. It's not that I haven't done anything. I have tried. I have so many unfinished vlogs on my hard drive. I have so many unfinished stories that I wanted to tell and that I have shots for. I just have never finished any of those. And one of the reasons why I've never uploaded one of those videos or even finished or even touched one of those videos is because I just got in my own way. I started over-analyzing everything. I just started second-guessing everything and I would try and make it work somehow. I've been trying to figure out this video for like 2 weeks now. And every time I film it, I hate it. And I'm at the point where it's like a Friday night and I'm working on this outline and I'm thinking, do I continue to work on this video or do I just move on and make another Premiere tutorial, I guess? I don't know. Now I want to make one thing very clear. There's nothing wrong with my Premiere Pro tutorials. I enjoy making them, but the problem is that they represent my comfort zone. And every time that I try to get out of my comfort zone and do a creative project or do a vlog, and I have to think about the storytelling and everything, it just scares me and I run back to Premiere Pro because not only do I know how the workflow is and exactly what the end product will look like and I know exactly what to do, it also helps achieve my other goals that I had on YouTube, like being consistent and all of these things. Like I didn't want to disappear every 3 weeks, you know? But that is also very contradicting because that is not the goal that I have for my YouTube channel. I don't want to be a Premiere Pro channel. So although it helped me reach the goal of being consistent, it totally got in my way of reaching my actual goal. So all you've seen is Premiere Pro tutorials and all I see is my failure to get out of my comfort zone and make the videos that I want to make. And every time that I tried to make such a video and tried to break that cycle, I would just end up where I started. I'm just over it. I'm over the fact that I'm doing the same thing. I'm over the fact that I'm talking to the same friends. We have the same discussions about the same like YouTube crisis that I'm in. I'm just over it. I know what I want to be doing and I just keep putting myself in this comfortable position that just makes me very uncomfortable and unhappy. I am done and I want to break this cycle of perfectionism, of self-doubt, of imposter syndrome, of all of these factors that play a role in my self-sabotage. I am done. Regardless of how long it's gonna take, regardless of how many iterations I need, how many revisions are needed, I am going to make this video. We finished the video. If I can hope for one thing that you can take away from this video, I really hope that it is that despite self-doubt being real and it sucks and gets in our way, it gets in my way all the time, more than I'd like to admit, we can still do it. Give yourself permission to take as much time and space as you need to create what you really want to create or to do what you really want to do so you will actually achieve your goal. Whatever you do, Please don't quit.